When she left, she didn't just walk out of the room. She walked out of my routine, my rhythm, my identity. And if you're watching this, I know what that feels like. Your room feels colder. Music sounds like memory. You catch yourself checking your phone, just in case she texts, but she doesn't. And in that silence, something new begins. Not because you're ready, but because you're out of options. This is not about her anymore. This is about you, and the version of you that's buried beneath the wreckage. These 5 habits didn't just help me heal. They built the man I should have been long before she left. Habit 1. Move before you feel ready. The mornings were the worst. I'd wake up feeling like a failure. No motivation, just heaviness in my chest. And then I read something from Marcus Aurelius. At dawn, when you have trouble getting out of bed, tell yourself, I was made to do this. That changed everything. I stopped waiting to feel like doing it. I got up and moved anyway, walked, trained, did push-ups in silence. Not because I was healing, but because movement creates momentum. You can't think your way out of heartbreak. You move your way out. Even on the worst days, especially on the worst days, get up. Don't negotiate with your sadness. Show up for yourself before the world expects you to. Habit 2, ruthless morning. Discipline. I created a system. A sacred morning routine, no phone, no scrolling, no reacting. I took cold showers. I journaled. I trained. I read. It wasn't for her, it was for me, to reclaim control. Because heartbreak makes you feel powerless. But routine is power. The day doesn't care how you feel, but it will follow your lead if you set the tone. My mornings became a promise to myself. I'm still here, and I'm not waiting on anyone to fix me. Habit 3, no contact, no exception. I was addicted to the idea of hearing from her. One text, one emoji, one sign. But every time I reached for that hope, I lost a piece of my peace. So I cut it all off, blocked, deleted. Not from hate, but from respect for my own healing. You can't rebuild a house in a war zone. You can't rebuild yourself if you're still letting the past in through the side door. No contact isn't cruelty. It's clarity. She made her choice. And now, you make yours. Let her go, not because it doesn't hurt, but because it's time to protect the man you're becoming. Habit 4. Build what she never believed in. She didn't believe in your vision. Or maybe she didn't care enough to ask. Either way, she's not here. And the best thing I ever did was stop building for her approval. I launched what she thought I wouldn't. I created what she never believed I could. I built the body she never asked me about. And I did it all without her watching. Because now, I don't build to prove her wrong. I build to prove me right. What dream are you postponing because someone didn't see it? What version of you are you delaying because someone didn't applaud? Stop waiting. She's not coming back. But you? You've got work to do. Habit 5. Sit with the pain. Don't run from it. I did something I never used to do. I sat in silence. I journaled the truth. I admitted I missed her, but I didn't numb it. No drinking, no fake distractions, no rebound girl. I let it hurt. I let the pain crawl up my spine, burn through my chest, leak through my eyes. And then, I felt lighter. That pain was trying to teach me. It taught me what I ignored, what I overgave, what I feared. The man who can sit in his darkness without trying to escape it. That man becomes untouchable. Don't run from your grief. Refine yourself in it. Closing, to every man rebuilding brother. If you're watching this and your chest still aches, if you miss her but know you can't go back, then you are exactly where you're supposed to be. These habits didn't just help me heal. They made me someone new, someone who doesn't chase, who doesn't beg, someone who builds, who creates, who leads himself. One day, she may see the man you've become, But by then, you won't need her to, because you'll know that you are enough, because you chose to become enough. Call to action. Final words. If this message hit you, if even one habit spoke to your soul, then do one thing for yourself right now. Subscribe to this channel, not for me, for you, so that you never forget the work you started today. Leave a comment below. Tell me which habit you're going to master first, and share this with a brother who's still bleeding silently. This community isn't just content. It's a place where broken men are forged into something dangerous. This is just the beginning. Rebuild, rise, reclaim.